Penny for your thoughts.
I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all on my pants.
There's nothing a little music can't help. Down to the beach I'm strolling, but the seagulls. I said seagulls. Stop it now. Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach. Said seagulls gonna come, put me in a coconut, and they did, and they did, had me going like. Nothing I could do but yell when these birds attacked me. When I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids started laughing.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes, got nowhere to run. The night goes on as I'm fading away.
And then got hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Where'd it come from? Now run, give me back while you run, jump and stop. Put me down. I love to groove and boogie. Yeah.
Great.
Show you some dance moves.
No, I don't want you to.
If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could have outrun those birds.
You're a psycho wiener.
Let me grab my beater.
Come on, man.
Hey, what's that stank?
You put a fish in our basket.
Oh, yeah, I forgot I did that.
You owe me an apology.
Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds will back your face. Run, 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 jump. I can be your backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be your backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift rocks with your special gift. Run, 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 jump. Now breathe. That's good. Like that. Like that. One day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the log over and underneath was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child. Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder while you're lying there screaming, "Come help me, please, the seagulls, poke your knees." Stop it now.
Yeah, whatever. You're sort of pitchy.
Didn't like it?
Listen, man. I'm not your friend.
Don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry about the mic quality. I don't have my mic with me right now. Apologies for that. But this was a little edit I made. Obviously, all thanks to Bad Lip Reading, because this is the original. Please go and check out the original video. I will link it in the description, and it is amazing. This has been Melon. Peace.